is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. You're from a dream, can't you see? Getting closer to surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flying open. It's a picture in the pulpit and you're blind devotion. There's something breaking at the
Anyone have seen the movie Greatest Showman?
So tell me, do you want to
Yes.
go?
It's covered in all the color lights. Swimming runaways and running the night.
Impossible come true, taking over you.
This is the greatest show.
You're charging your victory.
Okay, welcome all to the Sharkathon. So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So let's actually start with this golden words. Are you actually shocked to hear this one? All good ideas must die. What the heck I'm talking about, right? Yes.
I've heard
There is
it.
no such thing like
Great.
good ideas is going to be winning the contest. Only the great ideas can win. Okay, so you may think like you have some good ideas. Come on, bring it on. Okay, your ideas have to be great. Go ahead, Mike.
Me?
No, you're about to say something. Okay, so
Oh no, I was just saying I have heard that expression before and I love it.
yeah, beautiful. Okay, so today Maria is going to be walking you through most of the proceedings. I'm going to be taking just 1 or 2 minutes here to set the stage, and then I'll hand over the stage to Maria here. Very quickly, housekeeping. Please ensure that you are ready to turn on your video whenever your turn comes. When you're not speaking, go on mute. When you speak, turn on your video and also ensure that you speak from a quiet corner. We don't want to see any kind of disturbance or any crosstalk or anything else. When you pitch, turn on the video, ensure that we are able to clearly hear you. When you don't speak, even you don't have to speak, go on mute. So other thing is this session is going to be recorded. And also I'm going to be actually sharing all the finale and pretty much everything at the end. As you know, we already talked about the prices for the winner and as well as runner-up and as well as the participation. It's going to be $75 for the winner, and then $25 will be later, and then $50 for the runner-up, another $25 later. Participation, there will be $25 award. And also there is going to be a token of appreciation for the judges because they are taking some time to join us, and we really, really appreciate that one. So with that, time to actually welcome our judges. So as you can see here, it looks like Rosemary is not here. Mohan, thank you for joining. I know it's late in the day. Ashwin, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you guys.
Okay. Rosemary, I don't know what is actually the situation with Rosemary. That's perfectly fine. And then Hari is joining from Houston. He is actually doing the PhD in Rice University now. He took a break from the job and then actually moved on to this PhD. And then Venkat is actually my partner in the crime from the early days. So only myself and Venkat, we used to go to a room and then think about building a platform and all those things. So for me, Venkat is not a stranger, but for you all, he is going to be a great mentor. Okay. Venkat, what is your role in Oracle?
Yeah, I do Director of Engineering and manage Student Cloud product end-to-end, Bala.
Oh, awesome. So I think Subhaya and the other team just actually get to know Venkat. Okay. At some point, we may be able to interface with him. Okay.
Yeah.
And then one quick thing is, I know, Ashwin, you may be hearing some ideas like Google Killer and Chat GPT and all. Don't get biased. Okay. You shouldn't bring in the conflict of interest since you're working for Google.
Okay.
Okay. So with that one, let's actually move on to Maria. Maria, take it away, please.
Yes. So before we start, Bob, can you go to the second slide? So today is where you pitch or where you share with us your ideas, but I want to show you very quickly where we are now. So we've come a long way from our first session. I'm very happy to see that everyone's opened up and are more comfortable in sharing their ideas. So now's a good time for you to share ideas and see who's going to win today.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
so-
team, are you all ready? So
Well,
Is
I
that
bet
right?
Siva is definitely ready, and
Okay.
Jane too.
so
Okay,
we can
so-
actually start the pitches, right, Maria?
Right. So before that, let me go ahead and share the sheet with the judges. So judges, please go to the link that let me go ahead and share it with everyone. I only share it with Mike
You don't have to share the sheet, okay? Why are
Okay.
you sharing the sheet?
so that they can go ahead and see the links. But I will also will be giving you the individual links to the ideas.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
have
add
it
the link to
handy
the
instead.
chat, okay? So I don't
Okay.
want them to go to the sheet. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Gotcha. So now let's move on to the first idea. All judges, please go to the link that I just shared. I am companion. So the first candidate for this idea sharing would be Chandra. Give her a round of applause.
Yay.
Virtually.
Did I go
Okay,
in
so
there? too?
judges, are you all able to go to that IM companion? Are you able to see it now?
Yep.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yep.
So how about some welcome music for Chandra? Do you want to give a little bit of context, Maria, about the music and the other great thing the team did?
Oh, this is very exciting. I quite like this activity. So the team had a really awesome homework from our last session. So they are asked to create a music kind of a tune really for them to be able to share their ideas and kind of showcase that in a beautiful way. I believe musically is the was what you call that, Bal, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm excited for everyone to hear it. Can you share Chandra's? I didn't know that Chandra was a rapper.
Be with me to tell me what happened today. Be my pet pigeon who transports my messages. Be my calendar who reminds me special dates. Be my VA who books my appointments. Maybe a clone to represent me.
Wow.
Wasn't that
That's
awesome?
beautiful. Yeah, Chandra.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the warm welcome. I'm Chandralekha, project manager with
90
Innovation.
seconds. Yeah.
Thanks
In
for this
90
opportunity. Okay. How many of you wanted to do something but still postponed it just because you have to open your browser, enter an URL, and log in to do that? I have done it. Okay, thanks to our laziness. And we always notice that our response time in messaging apps like Slack and Teams is always lesser than that of an email. One reason for that may be because when we want to send a message by email, we need to open an email compose window, enter the recipient, copy someone, enter a subject line, and then get to the message. Whereas in Slack, we just click on the name of the contact, type the message. It's done quick, right? So I'm just trying to help users easily find and engage with the events, ideas, challenges with my IM Companion. So IM Companion is an interactive AI chatbot that would interact with users real time as things happen in IM portal. Let me explain it with a simple use case. Let's say an event is created in IM portal. The current workflow is that as a user, you will receive an email notifying that an event is created. You can then click on the link in the email, log into the portal, and RSVP for the event. Yeah, there is nothing wrong in that. This is a very straightforward process that we have been used to. But how is this going to change when we have this IM Companion? Yep. Whenever an event is created, the bot will just pop up a message as, hey Chandra, Bala created so-and-so event. Would you like to attend? And give options yes and no to choose. how cool it would be if you just click on S and the bot books your seat for the event and also add the event to your calendar. It's all done with a single click of a mouse. Cool, right? I don't think some of us will have a second opinion if I say AI chatbots are the future. It's already evident from the recent chat GPT. We can already see internet buzzing around it and all influential CEOs talk how cool it is. And we can even see people debating the chances of chat GPT replacing Google soon. I'm like little scared to tell this when I learned from Bala that Ashwin is working with Google, but still, it's not my view, it's what people is debating over the internet. And all this is happening just within 50 days of its launch. It's a miracle. And when I say like compare my idea with Chat GPT and use words like AI chatbot, you may think, oh, this is going to be a very big project, and implementing this with an innovation minds is going to take a lot of resource and time. But no, the implementation of this can be done in very small steps. We are not
Wonderful. But unfortunately, Chandra, your 19 minutes is up. That's beautiful. Beautiful, nonetheless.
Thank you.
Now
Great
I'm
job.
excited to see. Yeah, you did a great job there. So, judges, can you please score the pitch and presentation for Chandra's I Am Companion idea?
All you have to do is just look at the right hand
Yes.
side. There is a widget. So Chandra, can you explain those 4 criteria just once? You don't have to do it again.
Yeah.
What are
okay.
those criteria? Not Chandra, Maria.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, so there are 4 criteria that we'll be scoring the ideas with. So the first one is the idea impact. So essentially, does the idea produce, or will the idea produce results that are revolutionary in nature? And is there a high probability that it will address the identified challenge, or will it elevate the value proposition of the Innovation Minds platform? The second is a targeted population. So each idea covers a specific audience that uses the platform. So it could be, all the users, just the managers, just the admin, what have you. But you can score the idea based on what audience is clearly identified. So for example, if it's all users, give it a higher weightage. If it's only addressing the needs of the admin or maybe just the managers, the narrower it goes as far as the intended audience, go ahead and give her a lower weightage. But say, for example, they're, the niche use cases or a smaller size of the target user. Say, for example, 5 users are intended as the audience. Will all these users be liking the idea? And the third one is the implementation plan. So based on the idea and the pitch that they have just presented, do they have anything that would bring the idea to life? Or have they deployed developed a core plan that includes the action steps? Have they identified the stakeholders, collaborators, or the measurement of impact? And lastly, the pitch and presentation. So the pitch is just meant to inform, persuade, motivate, or even make you cut the check and implement the idea. So how well does a team do this? Okay. Makes sense
Any
so
question,
far?
judges? So
Any
are you able
questions?
to understand the criteria, right? Because this is pretty fundamental for scoring the ideas.
Yeah, we got it, Bala.
There is
Wonderful.
one thing I would like to add here in the implementation plan. Not only you may have to look for the presenter or idea pitcher or having a detailed work plan, you may also think about, is it kind of quickly feasible, immediately built out? Okay, is that implementing is going to be easy, or we are talking about 3-year roadmap? You know what I'm saying, right? If you think like, this can't be done in 6 months, then you may actually give a little bit of less score for that one. Okay, it should be a quick win as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so judges, are you all able to give the score now? Mohan, Hari, Ashwin, Venkat?
Yeah, just give us a couple more minutes, Bala. We're almost done.
All you have to do is just drag and drop. Okay, that's it. You don't have to save or anything else. It's auto save.
So it's auto save. Okay.
Yeah. Mohan,
While
you're
you
good,
do
right?
that, so judges, while you are
Yes, Bala, it's going on.
scoring, Chandra's idea. I'm going to go ahead and share the second idea, and the second presenter will be Jayanti, and the idea is pinning your favorite features.
Judges, let us know once you're ready. We have to move on to the second. I know that second idea and all, it's going to be pretty quick. The first one may take a little bit of extra time to
Mhm.
get used to the tool and all.
By
Very
the
good.
way, everyone, we did a mock judging just to get the hang of it today. Maria, Bala, and I just want to take a moment and congratulate everyone on wonderful ideas. Wonderful.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, judges, please speak up. Can you just move on to the second idea? Were you able to complete yours?
We can move on.
Okay, Mohan,
Yes, Bala. Yeah, I can.
Hari, and Ashwin.
Yeah.
Hari,
Awesome.
Hari, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, so the second idea onwards, we're not going to be doing the round table now that you know what to do. Okay, so with that one, Maria, can I go ahead and then play the welcome music for Jayanti?
Yes, please.
Okay, here we go.
Innovation mind, here is the fun, there is the future, ideas to build, so many ideas, so many features, most selected ideas, we will build it, we build it, most user-friendly platform, make it, we make it.
Wow, first of all, I should really congratulate the whole team members. Okay,
Uh-huh.
one of the things really impressive is that they're able to come out of their comfort zone. I don't know how many of them went to that Sarigama Padanisa or anything else. None of us are having the basics for the music, right? Within actually 30 minutes, they are able to get the handle of the music building blocks and come up with some rhythm and write the lyrics. It's really commendable. Okay, appreciate you all. Good.
Thank you, Anna.
Okay, so Maria, can you ask the Jayanti to start the pitch? 90 seconds, Jayanti.
Yes, Jayanti, take the stage.
Hello, Maria. Hello, everyone. I suggested some of my ideas to our portal to implement. We should make it easier for user to access. My first suggestion is to add a pin it option so that user can pin their own favorite programs, challenges, and ideas. And can I say all my ideas here itself? So,
You
go
got
ahead.
90 seconds to 2 minutes.
If you can
It's up
squeeze
to
it
you.
within
Yeah.
90 seconds.
okay, then the user can choose their own theme, and this is my second suggestion. So I believe that more up-to-date features would draw the users. My third idea is to send reminder emails to users. These emails can help non-logged in users visit our portal. My fourth idea is to latest release note on homepage, so user can know what is our most recent release and what is the new features are. So this might be helpful to the users so that they can go and experience it. And my final suggestion is that some kind of mini game. It's a knowledgeable mini games that might be provide users to some into the future and encourage them to utilize our portal more frequently. And that's all from my side. Thank you.
Judges, as you can see here, Jayanti's idea is mapped to the challenge of reinventing user experience for Innovation Minds platform. So that's the reason she has come up with a few ideas. One is pretty much like Google Theme. User will be able to go and set it up, and then oftentimes you might have to really inform the users about what is new and bring in some games. And she's actually talking about multiple features to really reinventing or elevating the user experience.
Yes.
Thank you, Jayanti. Yeah.
So, judges, please give us a thumbs up if you're done scoring the idea. Awesome, Venkat. How about the others? I'm going to go ahead and share the third idea while you are scoring it. Awesome, Mohan. And our third presenter would be Jay Ashri, and the idea is audio, video calls, and screen recording in the whiteboard feature.
Okay, so I'm going to be bringing it here, audio, video, right?
Yes.
Is that okay? So judges, are you good? Can you just move on to the next idea? So we would like to welcome Jayashree onto the stage, and let's play the welcome music.
Audio and the video interaction in a whiteboard. This make it easier for an user to interact with the one and another in an application itself. A screen recording. Screen recording is helpful while the session is taking place on a whiteboard. For an example, if the user explaining about the idea and getting some feedback, it has been recorded, then it will be useful for the future reference.
Go for it, Jayashree.
Hi all. My idea is to audio and the video call in and screen recording in a whiteboard. Now we are having a whiteboard with a visual connecting with all, but we don't have an audio or a video call. We are connecting with a Zoom while we are using a whiteboard. To resolve that, I introduce an idea for an audio and video call, and as well as the screen recording. While the session is going on, example in an idea, while they're sharing about the idea and explaining about the idea, then they sharing the screen and recording it means it will be useful for the later purpose.
Awesome.
Yeah. So Venkat, I think actually you're a little bit new to this platform, right? So as you can see in the left-hand side, this is also having the virtual whiteboard integrated, pretty much like Mural Miro.
Got Yep. I see.
Yeah, so you can actually do the virtual collaboration, but Jayasree's idea is that if you can bring in the video, audio, screen sharing, then we don't need this sucker Zoom, okay? We can get That's what actually her idea is, okay?
Yep.
Judges, can you go ahead and then give your score? So Mohan, Hari, Ashwin, it's easy, right, for you to go and slide and give the scores?
Yep.
Yes, Bala. Yep.
Okay. What is the next one?
Yes. So the fourth one would be Jagan. Jagan will present the idea of implementing HRMS and performance management. Let me go ahead and share it with everyone here.
Yeah, judges, can you all go to that idea page? Please ensure that you're on the right idea page when you're giving the score. Okay, that's really essential.
Jagan, before you start, I just want to give you a quick kudos. I heard your music. You are awesome. I think you deserve a special prize just for that.
Okay, judges, are you all ready? Are you looking at the implement HRMS and performance management?
Manager reviews, manage. Ideas should be reproposed as collaboration. Matrix review letter. NFP results, which is equivalent of my ideas. Key results, progress, and review should be rolled up to goal self-review for users. Objectives goals can be inherited from their managers to goals can be mapped up. Challenges in our architecture.
Oh my God.
See, I told you that was awesome.
Yeah, that's really awesome. So Jagan, did he actually use any professional singer or whose voice is that? Jagan, can you go and unmute?
Jagan's laptop is hung, it seems. He's sending text messages in Slack.
Okay.
Okay, so it is hung? Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
why don't we
his
do one
video
thing? Maybe you
frames.
can just give him the final chance, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
Yes, so it's one of my favorite people at work, Jane. Jane's idea. Of course, we stick together, girl. So the idea is having birthdays and work anniversaries widget in Connect. So let me go ahead and share the idea here in chat. Jane, when you're ready, we're going to play your music first. Go ahead, Bala. Another cool one.
Engage, innovate, ideas and connect. Words take a heart to build this product. Thanks for those who make it happen. Here are your colleagues as they offer a lot. Innovation Minds, your home for hybrid work.
What is it? It's like Titanic. So Jen, what happened to the Jack and Rose? Are they safe or now?
That's the theme. That's actually for the Jack and Rose movie, Titanic.
Okay, good. So are you ready? Judges,
Yes.
are you there on the idea now? Birthdays and work anniversaries.
Okay, Jane, your 90 seconds starts now.
Okay, so I come up with the idea of adding a feature in Connect that shows birthdays in each employee's and work anniversary. This is basically integrated in the Connect that will allow, us to display birthdays and work milestones to open more social form of connectedness within the company. That is, of course, separate from all the task-oriented aspects of the workforce. It will allow us to greet them, to congratulate them of their milestones. And of course, a GIF greetings wouldn't hurt as well. It will help us engage with our colleagues in a more personal and deeper level as well. So yeah, that's all on my end, Maria.
Awesome. Awesome. So now, judges, if you're good with judging or scoring Jane's idea, just give us a thumbs up. But while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and share the next idea. The next idea is going to be Siva's. It's about...
If you don't mind, can you share
Sure.
the link? I might be missed,
Here.
I think.
For James?
So the birthday and anniversaries, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. There you go.
Give me a minute.
Let me know when you're good with that, Venkat, and then I will share the next one.
Yeah, somehow I'm not able to get the latest one and jump. Hang in there.
Okay, 1 second,
Got it.
please. Oh, you
I
got
got
it?
Yeah, you just
Wonderful.
continue. I got it. Yep, I got it.
Okay, so the next presenter would be Siva, and the idea is embedding code for external widgets, and the idea is going to be shared now.
There
There you
hi
go.
everyone. Hi everyone. First of all,
No, wait. Let us
Let's listen to your music first, Siva.
So there is some chanting going on, right?
Embedded code for Excel widgets, external site interaction, embedded code who I am, securely pull data from original source, allowing you to display a widget in your portal without having the host of the data build the embedded code on your side by just sharing embedded code on my side.
Wow, that's
Isn't that awesome?
what is that? That's in Sanskrit or what? Shiva.
Oh,
No,
he
Bala, this
shared
is
his
a
lyrics in
dream.
black also, Bala.
this is a dreamer for FIFA.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. First of all, I thanks everyone to giving me this opportunity. I am Shiv Prakash. I am a full stack developer at Innovation Minds. I have nearly 5 years of experience in information technology industry. I'm excited here to be here today to discuss the embedded code for external widgets. About this idea, an embedded code to securely pull data from the original source with which we don't have allowing you to display it as widget in our portal without having actual host of the data on your site. This will solve problem. How can we interact our platform with external personal site? Is that one here we can solve here. On deep, it will solve difficulty in sharing and displaying content and difficulty in maintaining consistency of design, and difficulty in measuring the reach of the content, and difficulty in engaging with the audience also. Yeah. So we can bridge this personal users gap from IM. I will be happy that by implementing in our portal too. Thanks, Arun.
Yeah, that's wonderful, Siva. So,
That's
team
wonderful.
judges, I'm sure that you are able to see it, but when you look into the Innovation Minds platform, there is so much rich information we are collecting about employees, either universal engagement score or their personality insights, or what projects they are working on. So there are so many external portals within enterprises. For example, Intranet or ADP or ServiceNow, they may want to consume our data and show it to their platform. At this point, it is only the API gateway is providing the information. They have to go ahead and then implement the UI. But Siva's brilliant idea here is that, can you just give the embed code so they may be able to go and add it to their portal? Boom. So now it is going to show up our Innovation Minds data into their portal.
Awesome.
Okay. So judges, are you looking at the screen now? Embed code, were you able to score it?
Yeah, that.
Awesome. So now we're going to our next idea. The next presenter would be Subaya, and the idea is integrating the chat with a whiteboard.
Integrating chat with whiteboard. Just 1 second. I'm going to go there. Integrating chat with whiteboard. Okay. So Subaya, where is the lyrics?
I have a really tough ballad. I did.
Okay, go for it. Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, thanks for this opportunity. My idea is to integrate our chat application with the whiteboard. So I think we have a really good and lovely whiteboard in our application. But if we need to communicate the informations or messages to one person to another or a group of peoples, we need to use various chat softwares like Slack, Teams, and others to sharing our details. By combining our chat application with our whiteboard, our users will be able to interact with others more easily and quickly. My proposal is to design a little icon at the bottom of our whiteboard to indicate our chat. When they click it, a little chat box will open up. Similarly to our help chat, like the below help button. They could easily interact with that board members by using our chat. We will also provide options like sharing images, videos, emojis, and individual conversation and the group chats. I believe this will assist our users to make effective use of whiteboard and our chat application. That's one of my ideas.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think actually this is kind of similar to the other idea presented by Jayashree, but it is little different. So Jayashree was talking about audio, video, and also the screen sharing and other things, but this is more like chat.
Yeah.
So Subaya, you think like it's pretty much like Zoom chat? When you just go to the Zoom chat, you'll be able to see who are all part of the Zoom, and you can send a direct message or you can send it to everyone, right?
Yeah, we share a links. We share a links like just now, right? We share a links through Zoom. If we are in whiteboard, we can share the link within the whiteboard. They need not to go to other applications.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah. So now, thank you for that, Subaya. That was a wonderful idea. So the next idea is going to be the I Am handshake, and the presenter would be Chandra again. Yeah. Chandra likes to rap. Just a heads up.
Sorry, Maria, I think we need to cover it again.
Sorry, say that again, please.
Jagan is here. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So can you give the opportunity for Jagan?
Sure, of course. Let me go ahead and share Jagan's idea. Again, judges, the idea of Jagan is implementing HRMS and performance management to the portal, and the link has just been shared. Jagan, your 90 seconds starts now.
Yeah, hi. First of all, thanks for giving this opportunity. It's a new experience for me. And then my topic is implement HRMS within the IM. First of all, the problem is making innovation mind to the solution. Before that, we will see that benefits of HRMS in IM portal. By using the HRMS in IM portal, we can track the employee details and the goals and the objective. And then by using that HRMS, we will able to collect and track all the details that the business need in 1 lakh questions. And then the user can add ideas and goals and objectives in HRMS also. And then HRMS tracks us necessary numbers, data on the employees with the schedulings and the calculation. And then before that, the solution is user can add goals and objectives, and then goals can be inherited from the managers, and then goals can be mapped to the challenges within in our architectures, and then each goal can have key results, which is the equal to the mapped ideas. And then it can also self-reviews for the users and manage the reviews. Yeah.
Awesome. I should say that, Jagan, I really commend your effort here. Okay, I know that this is not your idea, but you recently inherited this one, right? I think you did a wonderful job.
Yes.
So Hari and Ashwin and Mohan and Venkat, as you know, ours is the holistic employee experience platform, but often our clients are asking like, can you provide the performance management as well, part of that goal setting and do the self-review and manager review? And then if you just go one step further, we can even think about the HRMS, whole HRMS like Workday or any of those things, right? So that's the idea Jagan is presenting here. Okay, so are you all good? So can you just move on to the next idea? Good job, Jagan.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to reshare Chandra's idea, the IM handshake. Okay, Chandra, we're going to listen to your song here, and then after that, your 90 seconds would start.
Is it a frustration to you to regain the same information? IM integration, let me do the data transformation for your organization. I could push all notification into your application and bring in better collaboration. IM integration. IM integration.
Wow.
That was awesome.
That's a good one. Yeah.
You. Okay. Maria, can I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. So it is identified that one very important reason why organizations doesn't want to start a subscription with a new tool or a new app is that it is really painful to manage multiple applications for the same set of employees, for the same organization, entering the same employee details again and again, and making sure every platform is in sync with every other platform. My solution to this problem is to create IM integrations through which Innovation Minds portal can be connected with other widely used B2B cloud applications like Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics, and other things. With this integration in place, we can list our application in marketplaces like Salesforce, Microsoft, so that if an existing HubSpot user is looking for an innovation management solution that can be integrated with HubSpot, then we will be the one to hit the HubSpot first. At the very first sight, this may look like a big project that would take a lot of resources, but it's not so. We can use iPaaS solutions like we now have integration platform as a solution. We can use it to create these integrations, which is hardly going to take our team 15 to 20 days to complete this. With this kind of integration work both the ways. If the user is already having Innovation Minds platform subscription, they can go to an integration page in our application and just click on their CRM or HRM and get Innovation Minds integrated with their application. It also works the other way around. The users can go to their CRM's marketplace, search for an innovation management solution, and we will be shown as their search result. They can just opt for integration and subscription directly from their CRM marketplace. In a recent churn analysis by Typeform, it is found that B2B SaaS with at least 2 active integrations had 14% higher retention rate, and those with 5 integrations had 36% higher retention rate. So now more than ever, integration availability is a key differentiator in B2B SaaS. I think we should be doing that. Yeah, thank you.
That was awesome.
That is awesome. Yep.
Mhm.
Even actually the challenge that Chandra is talking about is real, right? I'm sure that
Mhm.
Mike and Maria will be able to relate to that. Always there is a kind of hesitation. Oh, I want to actually throw one more tool into my ecosystem.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's excellent.
That's right. So Jayanti already shared the theme picker and the reminder email as well, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, she did in
Jayanti,
one go.
Jayanti did the, oh, so she talked about all those things. Pin your
Yes,
fa-
she did. Okay. So we're
So
gonna
Jayanti,
move
you
to
covered even actually pin your framework, pin your favorite, and as well as theme pick.
Yeah, I told all the ideas. In one
Okay,
way.
okay, okay. Okay.
If you want, I can explain it in a details, but I think it does not.
Okay, no worries. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Varun.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one then.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you Jayashri's other idea, which is newsletter for the organizational matters. Here you go.
Just 1 second. I'm going there now.
Newsletter. Newsletter are a digital workspace communication. In that we can share a company's success and the employee achievement. May other can know more details about an organization. For an example, we can share the event that occur in an organization. Thank you.
I just want to say, Jayashri, your music feels like an advertisement on YouTube. Like before the videos play, that was awesome. So Jayashri, your 90 seconds starts now.
My idea is a newsletter for an organization. In the newsletter, first thing we can be we itself can design a newsletter however we want to share for an employee. And then a second thing, in the newsletter we can share the company success and the employee achievement. It will encourage and other employees to do some activities. For an example, if anyone submit an idea and the idea is if the manager like the idea and give the award for that user, means may other also may know, for other want to know, means in the newsletter we will upload that, means may other also will know. By using that, the others can be encouraged and they also put some ideas. And the event are occur in an organization also we have post that, means other can be aware of that. That's
Awesome.
Wonderful.
That's a good idea. So any questions? I think actually judges are kind of unusually quiet. You guys are not having any questions or any clarifications?
Good, Bala. So far, I think good. I have a couple of questions, but I'll follow Bala.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the good thing is all are technical people, right? On the judging side, so I don't think further explanation is needed. Yeah. Okay. Move on to the next one. We have just 5 more minutes. Can you quickly wrap it up?
Yep. So the next idea is Jagan's. Jagan's idea is giving a warm welcome. This, I believe, he collaborated with Balaji, right? Giving a warm welcome and a personal touch. There you go. I really like Jagan's music.
At the homepage is validate the feedback extended to other main pages, ideas submitted, ideas, project summary, rewards, etc.
See?
Yeah.
Jagan, so after shift, do you go ahead and go to karaoke's and sing your heart out? Seems
Yeah,
like you practice a lot.
Yeah, voice is just a pain, so that only I just changed my voice.
Oh, it's wonderful nonetheless. So, Jagan, your 90 seconds starts now.
Yeah, my idea is lacking a warm welcome and personal touch. First of all, we can see the benefits. It gives a sense of caring and makes the people feel appreciated, as well as making them feel that they made a good choice to using our business in preference to the others. And then it will give customer good first impressions, which paves the base of relationship between our business. And then the solution is by introducing the avatar that will act as a virtual tour guide for navigating the platform within that, learning more about its features. And then these features will give the users a more personal experience and elevated first impression to the platform. And then moreover, we can also use audio versions for that through the avatar. Yeah, this is my ideas.
Yeah. No, I think this is wonderful. So, judges, I was talking to Mike and Maria before this one, so they are relating this with Clippy in the Microsoft. Have you used the Clippy software in the Microsoft?
That was a very old, just to give you a heads up, that's a very old kind of feature in the Microsoft.
Yes,
right?
Hey, watch when you're talking
So
about
our
how old
ages
things
are quite showing. It's not just you, Mike. Right. Okay. So, judges, if you're done scoring Jagan's idea, I'm going to go ahead and send to you the next one, which is Communication Made Easy by Jane.
Just 1 second. I'm going to go there now. Okay, so this is another Titanic, or maybe I think
she rapped in this one, I believe.
Yes.
Get and know them, listen to that. Let them show how well we can be. Encourage teamwork and allow them to grow. This is what we are, this is what we do.
So now it's very clear.
Awesome.
So it's very clear Jane is going to be the next Nicki Minaj, huh?
Yeah.
I'm changing career, everyone.
Okay, Jane, your 90 seconds starts now.
All right. So, well, my next idea is communication, titled Communication Made Easy. As we all know, this idea, basically the problem that I'm trying to solve here is the absence of video calls, not making our platform a complete experience for users. As we all know, when the pandemic hit us, the world discovered that there is productivity and work from home setup. Video call meetings as well as chat application has been more in demand and a must-have in each company. So by adding simple features in our solution, such as video call meetings, calls, emojis, or even reactions in our chat, users will definitely have a complete experience using our platform. Imagine using our whiteboard while doing, a collaboration, as at the same time doing a video call meeting or even just calls with your colleagues. The collaboration will be more productive and easier for each and every one of us. So as well as, this also makes our partnering 101 that is already in our platform more easier, especially if your colleague is located in another country, what's happening between us right now. So that is why this idea is a must-have, and we need to implement this as soon as possible. That's all. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Okay. So we're on to our last two ideas. So judges, if you're done giving Jane's ideas a score, I'm going to share with you Siva's other idea, which is having an active member collaboration graph.
Active member collaboration graph is a problem to solve. Team member collaboration solver. team collaboration solver. Idea to understand how users are naturally leveraging the platform to get their work done. See users how virtually work done. Collect data on the member and
Beautiful. Okay, so that's quite funny, I would say.
See, this is why I like that activity. Okay, sorry, Siva, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, my next idea is that active member collaboration graph. It will solve lack of visibility that how users are collaborate with each other by using this graph. That it will helpful for every managers and admin to virtually see how users and who are collaborate with each other and how users are naturally leveraging the platform to get their work done by virtually. So it will solve difficulty in key collaboration patterns and identifying communities and collaboration trends also. I think this will definitely useful for the managers to track and keep engaging every employee.
Beautiful. This is one of the novel idea. Venkat, I don't know you know of it. Maybe Mohan would know about this. In LinkedIn, there was a feature called InMap. Even actually, when new employees are joining, they used to give their InMap. So if you go to the idea, there is the image attached. Are you able to see it?
Yep.
So Siva's idea is that
Yeah,
images
related
graphically
with the
represent
same.
all the communication collaboration happening between the users and also even the intricacy relationship between the ideas and events and all those things. So this is really a creative idea, I would say. Okay, so judges, are you done?
Okay, so let's
Mohan
move
and
on.
Ashwin, Hari, ensure that you are actually scoring the ideas. Okay, you can't just skip it. Otherwise, it's going to come back at us. Okay, later. So ensure that you are scoring every one of the idea, please.
Yes, Bala. Yeah, we are scoring now.
Awesome.
Last one. Okay.
So we're going to move on to our last idea, which is Subaya's simple mobile application. Here's the link.
Wow. So Subaya, is this actually one track or multiple track or it's really wonderful?
Yeah, it's a multiple tracks.
Multiple tracks?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Would have been awesome to hear you rap like Notorious B.I.G.
Yeah, maybe I'll give you once more, okay? So I think Balaji is here and Divya and Kumaran, they're all here, right? So
right.
Are you guys able to kind of appreciate the effort your team put? So the music and all those things, these are all the original music composed by your team members. I want to make sure that you're really understanding it, appreciating it.
Sure, Bala. Yes, Bala. Yes, Bala.
Yeah,
Yes.
we are really
Definitely it's a
delighted
great-
to hear all the music. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. So
It's a great work. They all. Yeah, exactly, Bala.
Beautiful. Okay. So sometimes actually you may not be able to comprehend what we are hearing, why we are showing all those things. This is actually the music composed by each and every one of the team members. So we say that innovation is an art. Okay, so you should be able to express your creativity, your ideas through art. It could be music, it could be dance, or it could be another form of expressing it, right? So music is wonderful way of expressing your ideas. I think the team is really mastering it. Cool. Subaya, 90 seconds.
Yeah. Once again, thanks for this opportunity. I know we have a mobile application. We are transforming our mobile application, like we are converting our web application into a mobile application using several stages. There are some flaws in that converting from web application into a mobile application. So I don't want to go to the deeply. So my proposal is by using the Ionic framework, we made a simple mobile application. We can quickly build the mobile application by using this framework. In our mobile application, we can offer features like connect page, simple submit your idea, and view and edit your profile. Also, we provide a chat inside that mobile application. I feel that this will supply our users to interact with our application in a good way, and our application will engage with the users in every time, like all time. So this allows our individuals to flexibility to utilize our application whenever they want. This is the simple idea of our mobile application.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So thank you all. So we're going to be actually sending the judges to this breakout room. Just 1 second. I'm going to be doing it now. So Hariharan, okay. So Maria, Mike, Mohan, Venkat. Okay, so judges, are you all ready? So you're going to be having like actually 5 minutes or so. Go there and then talk about the pitches and all those things among yourself, and then come and join us in the main room once you're ready, okay, to announce the winner. So there are 2 prizes. The winner and as well as runner-up, we will talk about all those things. So Mike and Maria, please go ahead and then facilitate the conversation there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, team, just give us actually 1 or 2 minutes, and then we'll be able to resume it, okay? If you want to take 1 minute break or 2 minutes break, please feel free to do that, okay?
Sure, Bharat.
Okay.
Not everyone.
Okay, team. I think actually we got the results here. So we're going to be announcing it. Just 1 second. Once the team is back, we'll go ahead and then do this one. Are you all here now?
Yep.
Yes, well.
Yeah. Okay, Mohan, now we can hear you, okay?
Oh, yeah. Something,
Okay. So I think actually we got the whole team members here, okay? So let's go here and then get on to this one. So I'll leave it to you, Maria. So I'm going to be driving the slides and then you can announce it, okay?
Okay. So now we go on to who actually won the innovation challenge for Innovation Minds. And it's a very exciting pursuit. Again, I'm very thankful that you've all gone out of your shells and really showcased your talents and ideas today. So we've gone so far. Everyone deserves a prize, definitely. But who is our main winner, Bala?
Okay, so do you want to have a little bit of pomp and Chandra, do you like the money sound?
Yes, Bala.
Okay, so here is the winner, runner-up. Okay, so I'm going to bring it out. Maria, are you ready?
Ready. Congratulations, Chandra. Give her a round of applause.
Thank you.
Okay, so congratulations, Chandra.
Yeah, thanks, Bala.
The prize is going to be $50. So we'll actually talk about it, how we are going to be giving you this one. Mostly actually Monday, we should be able to ask you to go to the platform and then redeem it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I really like it. So when I see the $50, oh my God. Even I should be a participant. Okay. That seems to be a good amount. Yeah. And the first prize. Woohoo! Okay, Siva.
Congratulations, Siva.
Hi,
Yeah, thanks, Maria. Thanks.
Okay, and as you can see here, so this is actually $75 award here. Okay, so congratulations, Siva, and everyone is a winner here. Maybe Maria, do you want to quickly talk about it?
Yes. So again, everyone deserves a prize. So everyone will be getting, or the team will be getting $25 each just for participation. You've all come out of your shells. It's really wonderful to see that you've now been so comfortable in sharing your ideas and even coming up with your own theme songs. Jagan, I see you, dude. Wonderful.
And then Jane.
Jane as well. So Jane, you so we have a prize for you, just especially for you. So you come up with a great idea, adding a widget showcasing someone's birthday and their work milestones, and I think that deserves a special kind of reward. So Bal, can you please? Does Jane also have a certificate?
So we don't have that one. So you guys actually came.
That's too bad.
Impromptu, right? So anyway, the first prize is $75, and then the second prize is $50.
50.
And then 50. Yes. Second prize is 50, and every one of the team participant, all the 7 team members will be getting. If you are not the winner, okay, don't think like, okay, Siva is already thinking, oh, 75 plus 25 is 100. No, hold on. So that $25 is only for the non-winner. What is that actually? Except that winner and runner. Okay, and then Jane, you're going to be getting a special prize as well. Okay. Anything else? I think actually this is a wonderful experience. Let's go for a quick round table here. Okay, so team, we did it for you to get to know or get a taste of the Silicon Valley and all those things, right? So let's go for a quick round table. Subhaya, thoughts, feedback. Subhaya, are you there?
Yeah. It's my first time experience, but it's good to see how our application behaves, and I know that we have in innovation strategies, but it's new to me to know that innovation strategies like these are all the ways to be handled. The innovation strategies, that's new to me. That's also good to see the winners. Congrats for the winners as well.
Awesome. Good. Chandra, let's go for a quick roundtable, just 30 seconds each. Okay, the participants.
Yes, Bala, it's like a very good opportunity for the team, I would say, because this is like a very rare kind of an opportunity. Not many tech employees get this kind of opportunity. I really appreciate the way the team broke out their shells, and I would say Shiva deserves the first place. No question on that, because he have been doing a lot of homework right from the day we announced the event, and everyone in the team were doing their, the best, making all the possible efforts. So I congratulate everyone from the team, Bala. Thanks for giving this opportunity to the team.
Beautiful.
Thanks for
Okay, so go ahead. Anybody else would like to chime in? Go ahead.
I would just like to say, I think it was just wonderful how you all, you obviously have your very, what I would call technical backgrounds. And I appreciated how you all got a little more comfortable sitting in the client's seat, if you will, and really thinking about what they need. It was just wonderful. I appreciate it.
Awesome. So before wrapping up, judges, can you just go to the Zoom and then just look at the Zoom here? So if you just go to something called rewards. So tomorrow we are going to be actually giving you that token of appreciation. Once you have received the email, please go to these rewards. And at this point, we have turned on only Amazon. Okay, we may be able to turn on close to 650 brands. But the Innovation Minds as a principle, we have turned on only Amazon. So once you have received the email, please go ahead and then look at the amount available for you and then click that Amazon. Go ahead and redeem it. Everything is going to be seamless. Okay, the moment you're going to be redeeming it, you'll be getting the email with a gift card code. So tomorrow you should be able to go and take care of it. So we should be able to distribute all those things. Even the winners will be receiving it tomorrow. So Venkat, did you see this one? So this is actually the rewards recognition integrated reading portal. Okay, this is a huge milestone for us. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so I think, yeah. So with that one, is there anything else we should cover here, or we can actually let the team go? And I should also call out Balaji and Divya and Kumaran. Okay, so you guys have been moral support for your team. Okay, so keep up the good work and ensure that anytime actually they need the help, you're there to provide the support and enablement, pretty much everything. And then finally, Maria and Mike. So they're always kind of awesome, okay, when we do these kind of events.
Thank you, Bala, and congratulations to all the participants.
Okay.
Thanks all.
Okay, I think actually that should be it, and then we'll just move on then, okay? We're going to be wrapping it up. Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.